Alright, without wasting any time, I will show you why you don't need trading psychology when you can automate your trades in these easy steps. First, I will be showing you how you can set up a system like this, the one that you see on the screen. Second, I'm going to explain you how this new approach works. Third, I will be showing you a couple of AI tools that you can use to customize your trading view so that you can build a system like this for your own indicator. Alright, so first thing what we need to do is, for this setup, you need to go ahead and remove all the indicators that you have. So let's go ahead and I'm going to remove the indicator here. And then I'm going to create a new indicator and I'm going to remove all the existing templates that we have here. And what I'm going to do now is, you can find this link in the description. You can just going to copy the indicator code and we come in here and we paste it. And after that, we can just add to chart. And after that, what you can see is you would see this signal buy level and few other things on the chart, the drawings and lines. Next, we're gonna go create a new script on the NightShark. Let's just name it Super Trend. And I'm gonna create, and after that, you're gonna click on code. And this is where we're gonna put the second code on the NightShark. By the way, this works for any other indicators. This is not reserved to this indicator, so NightShark is independent of the whatever you do in the TradingView indicator. So after that, what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna go ahead and replay this. First, we need to set up our area, so you can also find this on the web page that I'm gonna share the link on the description. And after that, so the first area going to be on the signal one, and then after that we're going to click on the points. Point dot A would be on a buy and point dot B would be on a sell. And after that, just we can do the resting area for the point dot C somewhere up there. Okay, so for now, just to show you, I'm going to fast forward this. So I'm going to enable the mouse trailing, so that during the fast replay you can see the mouse movements, how they do. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna play the replay, and let's see how it's gonna play out. By the way, if you can see here, those green and small red line, those are actually the take profit levels, so we don't have to worry about the take profit here. And I'm also going to open the logs so that we can also keep track of what step has NightShark been into throughout this process. Alright, so let me stop this and also disable this trail because we don't need it anymore. So here on the on the description on the bottom, you can see all the performance and the trade analysis. You feel free to pause the video and then check it. But looks like it initially was on loss, then it gained some and then gave it all back to the market. So definitely we can put some extra feature where we can do the take profit or stop loss on the daily profit level, so that we don't get back as much as it's missing from the market. And another thing that I want to show is I wanted to show you how the NightShark actually works. Let's see, let me pull that up. So I'm going to show you how NightShark actually sees the screen. So here you can see the grid. So NightShark actually sees your screen on this way, and as you move across your cursor, you can see those tiny numbers, the screen coordinates. This is how it actually fetches the data directly from your screen instead of APIs or webhooks that people have to go around and jump across. So this is a very simplified way. One of the best feature of this is you can easily migrate any of your TradingView strategy into your other brokers and start executing it with this same script, because NightShark works on the screen coordinates level. It does not need any integration with brokers or even the TradingView. So this is all happening locally on your screen, and this is one of the best features that I love about the NightShark, simplifying the way we automate our trades so that we don't have to glue to our screen and start, and then do all the trades manually. So if you want to create the same kind of text for your own TradingView indicator, what you can do is you can log into NightShark, and there on the chat section you will find two models. One would be for the NightShark and another would be for the TradingView. So I'm going to show you a demo here for the TradingView. So let's say you go to this model and it will redirect you here, and this model is expert in PineScript. So we can also choose the model thinking level if you have a ChatGPT subscription. Otherwise for 4.0 default is also fine. So I'm going to show you an example here. Let's say this is your code, right? But this does not has the buy sell signal label. So what you can do is you can go here, you can just directly paste the code. You don't have to type in anything. All the instructions are already baked in within this model. What this is going to return you is the simple PineScript code, which you can later use on your TradingView. Okay, so it finished. So we can copy it, and you can take this back to the TradingView, and we're going to create a new indicator. And just paste it here, and you can add to chart, and it will give you the signals. Not only that, it will also tell you whether this signal is repainting or not. So a lot of times some indicators do the forward calculation, so we need to be very vigilant on that. So it looks like this indicator, it might look on the back testing, but it is very inaccurate on the live trading. So these are the things that you can filter out too.